Hello, good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Marianita Magcanam, 47 years old, married from Philippines. I have one son aged 18 years old. To my first employer in Hong Kong, I finished my 2-year contract from May 2019 to May 2021. My duties are doing household chores, cooking, marketing, washing clothes, ironing, and taking care of a 90-year-old bedridden grandma. My duties to Popo are changing diaper, feeding, bathing, and give her medicine. And to my second employer in Hong Kong, I worked for 11 months from April 2024 to March 2025. My duties are doing household chores, cooking, marketing, washing clothes, ironing, taking care of 2 dogs, and taking care of a child. I am hardworking, responsible, and dedicated individual who treats my work with dedication. To my future employer, if you choose me as one of your helper, I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. I will treat you as my own family. Thank you and God bless.